Today we will try to create a static library. So let us make a folder. Let us name the folder by static library. Static library. Where is the folder static library? Here it is. Now we will open the terminal. Okay. So what will this library contain? So we will try to make a simple library which will contain subtraction and multiplication of two numbers. Fine. So first of all we will define the subtraction. For that let us write a code gedit sub.c. Now here is the code. The definition of the subtraction is int is the return type, sub, let us name the function by name sub, passing the parameters int x, int y. Okay, return type will be return x minus y. Now closing the parenthesis and saving it. Okay, so here we get sub.c. Now we make for multiplication mul.c. Again we will be writing the return type, that will be int mul function name and the parameter int x, int y. The return type will be return x into y. Okay, closing the parenthesis. Okay, so we have created the definitions of the two functions. Now we will create the header file. So how we can create a header file? The extension of the header file is .h. So let us create a header file by the name header.h. Okay, so what does a header file contain? A header file contains the definitions of a function, it contains declaration of a function, definition of structure, definition of union and macros. Also it contains type def and compilation statements. Okay, conditional compilation statements. Since we are talking about the functions here, so we will be writing the declaration part. Int sub, the function name is sub, int x comma int y, and then since it is declaration it will end with semicolon. The second function was multiplication. Okay, so int x comma int y ending with semicolon. That's it. That is a header file, nothing much. So we have header file, we have multiplication, we have subtraction. Now we will make another code for reading the input and displaying the output. So gedit answer.c. Okay, so we will be scanning the input and printing the output. So for that we will have to include stereo.h header file. Okay, then we have to include our own header file, include under double quote header.h, that is the name of our header file. Okay, now int main, then inside the braces we will write printf enter two numbers /n for next line, initializing the variables int x and y, scanning the two numbers. How can we scan? By mod d. Okay, and then passing the address of int x and y. Okay, so now we will print out the answer. Printf addition slash t calling, sorry, we have subtraction, right? Subtraction. So name of the function is sub, and then we will pass the actual parameter, and then again we will write the same statement, that now we will call multiplication. So the name of the function is mul, and here multiplication. Okay, slash n for next line. Now return 0, closing the braces. So this is code for reading the variable and displaying the output. So we have 4 files now. Now we will create object files of all the C files. Okay, how can we do that? gcc -c add dot, sorry, answer dot c. Okay, here we go, we have answer dot o as object file. There is some okay, some warning is there, don't worry about the warning. gcc -c mul dot c. Here you go, you got object file for mul dot o, and then for gcc -c sub dot c, you got the object file for sub dot c. Now we will create one library in archive format. So for that we will write, we should remember this code, ARRS, name of the library. So for, since we are creating a static library, so its name should start with lib, and the extension should be .a. So lib stat .a, and then we are adding the two functions. The two functions are sub dot o in object format and mul dot o. Here you go, we have created libstat.a here. Okay, now we will link libstat.a with answer.o, so that we can take the input and display the output through this code. Okay, how we will do? gcc -o. So when we will compile these two, it has to be in a new code, new file. So it will be, let us say, answer or library. Let us name it as library. You can write it as answer as well, no issues. Answer dot o, we are linking answer dot o with libstat dot a, and we got lib. Now if we remove this part, not the header file, everything else, if we delete them, okay, for that we will have to close the terminal. So let us first of all see the output. Dot slash lib, oops, dot slash lib, enter two number 12, 12 and 6. Here is the subtraction and multiplication, we are not getting anything. Why is it so? In the subtraction there is some error in the code. What is the error? Let us see the answer dot c. So here we had forgotten to write percentile D, that was the issue. So again we will have to create the object file for gcc, you can see answer.c, gcc/c .c. Okay, so again we have changed the answer.o. Now we will again compile, we will link the libstat.a. you can delete this one. So we are again linking it -o with say answer. This time answer, what we are linking, answer dot o with libstat dot a. Okay, here you go, you get answer. Okay, so let us open this dot slash answer. Let us enter two numbers 12 and 9. So subtraction is 3 and multiplication is 108. Is that correct? Yeah. Let us close this one and delete everything. So we are deleting. Okay, and some kind of error. So again we will open this and let us dot slash answer. Let us take another example for 12 and 6. So subtraction is 6 and multiplication is 72. So I hope you understood this. Okay, thank you.